we're recording.
This is the Smart Farm user interface, and we are here at the FDA Farms monitoring pumps and monitoring soil moisture stands. Many thanks to Danny and Alan Finch for allowing us to use their farm for this demonstration and for this beta test. I'm going to run through this GUI real quick to show you what's going on and what we're doing at this point in time. There are icons indicating the type of pump or moisture stand or repeater tower on this map. We show 15 icons spread over about a 4-mile wide, 6-mile long part of the farm. So over here is a icon for an electric pump. Again, electric pump. Up here, Mills is an icon for a diesel pump. Down here, Ramsey M is for moisture probe associated with this pump. So we put a probe at this end of the field, pump is at this end of the field. And then another example here, grain silo, we have a repeater station on top of the grain silo to communicate with all of these devices. So if you click on any one pump, like Gibson, what pops up is a data view of the information available. So we've got the station name, where its location is, if the rain gauge is installed, is it wet or not, is the pump on, is there water flowing or not, if so, start and stop times and flow elapsed time can be recorded. If there's a fuel level pressure sensor, then we can tell what percentage of the fuel tank gas is left. Engine RPM, diesel battery voltages can be monitored. If there's a system fault, right now it says yes because the Murphy panel is off, the engine is off. If we add our summing diodes to a Murphy panel, we can then not only show a system fault, but what caused that system fault, which would be oil pressure, water temperature, oil level, water level, even a gas cap tamper signal if someone's trying to siphon gas off, can be monitored from this computer at the headquarters. Additional information includes the comlink status of the node, the battery voltage inside the node, whether or not we are charging it with our solar panel, and then how the temperature, and yes, today is a hot day out there. We have a soil moisture stand associated with this pump, as we said, and so we've got, here's the coordinates, rain gauge is not wet. Here are the moisture probe readings. We've got 2 probes connected. As you can see, it's pretty dry out, only 12-13% moisture present in the soil. It also has communication link status, the internal battery voltage, and whether we're charging and that temperature. At this pump, we can turn this pump off by clicking this button if it's running, and we'll send a kill signal to the Murphy panel. Other views associated with this user interface include a list view, which shows all of the pumps and moisture stands and repeater towers all in one table. We've got 15 set up here now associated with this map view. We actually have 27 nodes that we've installed on this trip. We're showing 15 here for simplicity's sake. So in a quick view, you can see the status of all of these pumps and moisture stands. Green is good, red means it's offline or there's a fault. Blue on a pump would mean we change the color to blue if it's actually pumping. So this is just another way to look at data in a summary table format. We also have trend lines, which has not been enabled yet, and a maintenance schedule, which we'll soon install. And then we'll have a complete, user interface as we envision it to a Series 1 user interface completed here in the next couple of weeks. We have verified that we can turn pumps, electric pumps, on and off from this headquarters. There's another video on this series that will show that. We've also confirmed that we can turn off a diesel motor. We got a video of that, and so we've made great progress on this trip. And again, the Finch family is much appreciated for allowing us to use their farm to prove out this system.